Hello guys, so for this video, we will talk about electrochemistry. So we have here a given problem. Determine the cell potential for the galvanic cell with the following half reactions at 25 degrees Celsius. So 25 degrees Celsius, it means po ay standard condition po siya. With the concentration, so ito yung given na concentration, Ag plus is 1 molar. H2O2 is 2 molar and H plus po is 2 molar. At ito po ang ating overall reaction. And ito sila, itong mga values na to, this is from standard reduction potential na table. Okay, table of standard reduction potential. Okay, so this one po is, it is available sa internet. So, pwede natin yang i-search. Okay, standard reduction potential po yung tawag doon. So, ang gagawin po natin, of course, ay kailangan muna natin itong balance. May balance muna natin. And i-base po natin yan sa ating overall reaction kung sino po yung nag-undergo ng oxidation, sino ang nag-undergo ng reduction. So, based sa given po na overall reaction natin, makikita natin dito kung sino o yung nag-undergo ng oxidation and reduction. So, based dito, si Ag, si silver ay naging Ag+. So, makikita natin na siya yung nag-undergo ng oxidation. Ayan. Tapos, of course, ito namang isa, yung second half po ng ating reaction, siya yung nag-undergo ng reduction. So, because si Ag po yung nag-undergo ng oxidation, instead na positive 0.8 yung kanyang potential, ay magiging negative 0.8 volts po yan. Ito naman pong isa, because reduction nga lang siya, because again, this one is from standard reduction potential na table. So, as is lang po yan na 1.78. So, para po makuha natin yung ating E cell dito, so magiging negative 0.8, okay, plus 1.78. So, if you will use your calculator, it will give you 0.98 volts. Now, dito sa problem, you're asked to get the cell potential at 25 degrees Celsius. So, we have a, a formula for that. So, we have E cell is equal to EO cell, okay, minus, because it's in standard condition at 0.0592 over N. N is the number of moles of our electron, okay, log Q. Our Q there is the concentration of our product over the concentration of our reactant. So, ilalagay lang natin ating E cell ay ito, 0.98. So, ilagay lang natin siya. So, yun po, sinulat ko na po siya. Yung E cell po natin is EO cell is 0.98. 0.0592, ayan, copy lang natin. At saka yung N po natin is the number of electrons. So, 2 po yan kasi ito kailangan pa natin itong i-multiply ng 2 para po mabalance. Of course, we have to balance the reaction. So, 2 that's the number of electrons. Okay? Tapos, log of, ito nga, Q, which is product over reactant. Means the concentration of your product, which is ang product po natin dito, according sa ating, ayan, overall reaction is C2Ag+. So, ang kanyang concentration is 1 molar. So, dalawa siya. Ayan, so, ayan, 1.0 raised to 2. At ito yung ating concentration ng ating reactant. Ang ating reactant dito ay si H2O2 at saka sa C2H+, ayan, 2 molars, both of them. Tapos si H plus ay dalawa po siya, so mayroong squared po dyan. Okay? So, ayan siya. So, by using your calculator, the answer is 1.0067 volts.